Medha. I'm a fashion designer by passion and profession. I recently started my own fashion brand MAGR, and at MAGR we promote sustainable fashion. And one of the things that we do is wardrobe reconstruction. बहुत बड़ा term लग रहा होगा, but it's quite simple. If you have any old clothes lying around in the wardrobe and want to give them a brand new look, then this video is for you. So I've picked a few pieces from my wardrobe जो बहुत time से ऐसे ही पड़े हुए थे and some I couldn't use anymore. So this one is an olive green shirt. You will be thinking what's wrong with it, but ये देखिए एक आर्टिस्ट की कलाकारी जिस वजह से मेरी शर्ट तबाह हो गई. कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसका. Then I have this bomber jacket which looks really chic and party wear, but इसका ribbed collar बहुत ही dull हो गया है. So we'll have to rework on it. And then I have this very nice comfortable velvet t-shirt, but as you can see इसका जो lettering है ये foil निकल रहा है यहाँ से. So I'll have to do something over there and reconstruct it. So I'm thinking अभी कौन से इसे start करूँ. I think I'll go with this one. आज इसका lucky day है. As you can see, it has a plain shirt look on the front and a layered pattern at the back. So I've got few ideas for this pattern as well. Let's see and see you guys on the other side. As per my design, we have a crop shirt with a drawstring pattern. So I'll shorten the length of the shirt for the same. Length is around 75 centimeter. So to give it a fuller look near the drawstring, I'll take the length to the mid waist. Over here as well. Now let's get rid of a problem, that is the sleeve. Thanks to the sleeve that I am getting a new look for my old shirt. इसका length है 60 centimeters. Elbow length कर देंगे, so around 30. Similarly here. And for the back, I'm giving this upper layer a flowy cape look. So for that I'll have to open the stitches. Side के stitches खोलने होंगे दोनों side से. And then front के length से back का length match करना है. So measure it accordingly. So yeah.
Here I am ripping the side seams to give a cape look and using the cuffs for detailing on the sleeve. I'll sew the drawstring panel at the hem of the shirt and the cuff button strap on the sleeve. कोविड के चलते डिज़ाइनर भी मैं और दर्जी भी मैं.
This is the same shirt, guys, which we saw in the beginning of the video, and now it has been reconstructed completely. It looks like a brand new shirt. Now let's try it on and see how it looks. So you guys saw how the shirt turned out, and with this we complete the first episode of wardrobe reconstruction. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video, and you can even share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and you can even follow me on Instagram and Facebook for latest updates. The links are in the description below. Do comment and let me know what was your favorite part of the video. Your support will keep me motivated for making more such videos. Thank you and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.